this video, we will explore Typora and Obsidian. Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you manage your notes without feeling overwhelmed. Both options offer unique features that cater to different user needs. Typora and Obsidian are powerful note-taking applications. The core difference lies in their approach. Typora offers a seamless writing experience with markdown support, while Obsidian focuses on linking notes and building a knowledge graph. Typora is a markdown editor that provides a distraction-free writing environment. It combines the simplicity of a text editor with the power of markdown formatting, allowing users to see their formatting as they type. Typora's strengths include its clean interface and real-time preview, making it ideal for writers who prefer a straightforward approach. However, it lacks advanced organizational features like tagging and linking, which may limit its use for users who need a more complex note management system. Typora is perfect for those who want to focus on writing without the clutter of additional features. Obsidian is a note-taking app designed for knowledge management. It allows users to create a network of linked notes, enabling easy navigation and retrieval of information. Obsidian's strengths lie in its powerful linking capabilities and extensive plugin ecosystem, which can enhance functionality significantly. Users can create a personal knowledge base, making it suitable for researchers, students, and anyone looking to organize complex information. However, its learning curve can be steep for new users, and the interface may seem overwhelming at first. Obsidian is ideal for those who value connections between their notes and seek a more structured approach to information management. When comparing Typora and Obsidian, consider your note-taking style. Typora is excellent for those who prioritize a clean writing experience and simplicity. If you often write articles or essays, Typora's markdown support offers a straightforward workflow. On the other hand, if you frequently deal with interconnected ideas or need to organize research, Obsidian's linking and graph view will serve you better. For instance, a student writing a paper may prefer Typora for its ease of use, while a researcher compiling notes from various sources might find Obsidian's organizational tools indispensable. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you value simplicity or complex organization. If you seek a straightforward writing experience, Typora is the ideal choice for you. For those who need advanced organizational features and enjoy linking notes, Obsidian is the better option. Choose the app that aligns with your note-taking style for the best experience. Thank you for watching, and happy note-taking.